Congratulations, you've remediated the sources of mold in your home. It's now time to verify that and to embark on cleaning your home to remove these particles that have been created by those sources for as long as the sources have been present. Post-testing is important because mold can be 25 to 50 times smaller than what the eye can see. Bacteria and biotoxins are even smaller. The good news is, once you've eliminated the sources and you have cleaned the home by removing the dust reservoirs that harbor these contaminants, you can rest assured that the living environment will continue to improve with each time you clean. Doing these steps in proper sequence is paramount to ensuring you are eliminating these contaminants efficiently. Step 1. Ensure that all the source areas have been remediated effectively. The space may look great visually, but because we are dealing with microscopic particles, you want to test the air inside the containment to ensure that enough building material was removed and remediated to eliminate the presence of the living organism. Otherwise, it will continue to produce particles. Step 2. Start by cleaning the HVAC with a NADCA certified HVAC cleaning contractor to ensure the HVAC systems and associated ductwork is properly cleaned. Unfortunately, some ducts like metal ducts lined with insulation, fiberboard ducts, and flexible ducts cannot be cleaned effectively. In the event you have ductwork that cannot be cleaned effectively, you may want to consider replacement. Cleaning the HVAC components before the home is vital. Since no ductwork is hermetically sealed, some particles will escape into the environment when cleaning the ducts, which is why you'd clean the home afterwards. Step 3. Ensure that the HVAC cleaning company seals all the registers and returns after they're done with 6mm plastic. This will prevent the newly cleaned ducts from being impacted during the cleaning of the home. It's important to keep in mind that the HVAC will need to remain off during this step, so if you are doing this during a time where you need either heat to prevent frozen pipes or dehumidification to prevent buildup of humidity during the summer months, you'll want to create a plan to control the environment while this is happening. Step 4. You are now ready to do a thorough cleaning of the home. Whether you're doing it yourself or hiring help, the goal of this cleaning is to remove all dust reservoirs inside the home that are harboring particles created by the sources of water damage. This includes mold, bacteria, and biotoxins. These particles settle in the same places your dust settles, so removing dust from walls, floors, base, door and window moldings, shelving, appliances, cabinetry, and floors is essential to reducing the amount of particulate in the environment. Step 5. Once you're satisfied with how clean the home is, it is important to verify using the same testing methods you used to identify mold, bacteria, or biotoxins in your environment originally. Because these tests rely on the analysis of dust to see exactly what is present inside that dust, you may need to wait a few weeks for dust to naturally occur in the environment before you can test again. Step 6. Upon receipt of your results, it's important to look at how much is now present per milligram of dust. This is the best way to tell if you are on the right path. The scoring systems that are used by certain tests can be confusing and make you feel like things are not improving when they are. That's why analyzing the data and comparing before and after is the best way to tell for success. It is important to remember that your goal is to reduce the amount of particles that are opportunistically getting inside your body. This is why I recommend the dust test for this step. Step 6A. Sometimes the laboratory analysis shows things are improving, but your doctor may make recommendations to embark on additional cleaning to continue to improve the environment. This can happen for 2 reasons. 1, you've exponentially removed particulate during cleaning, but due to how much particulate was present in the beginning, additional cleaning is needed to exponentially remove additional particulate. 2, there could be additional hidden sources creating particulate that was either not identified in the initial inspection and remediation plan, or was not part of the remediation plan. No matter the reason, you've come a long way in improving the environment, and you will continue to do so as you continue your journey. Step 7. Last but certainly not least, consult with your preferred health practitioner to make sure you are continuing to address any problems inside the body, now that you have a healthier environment to heal in. This is certainly not an easy journey, and there's no magic solution. The truth is, it takes work to create a healthy environment, and health is more holistic than we have ever truly realized in the past.